Hi and welcome everyone, my name is Angelica and in today's video I want to show you how to make rainbow wall hanging just like this one. But in this case I'm gonna hang my rainbow on the window to say thank you to all key workers, all people who in this difficult time are still out there working hard and putting own health at risk. So if you want to say thank you and send some love and joy during this lockdown, join me in this video. It's really easy and very enjoyable project. All you need is cotton cord. I'm using the 5mm thick one. If you got thicker one, it's even better. If you got thinner one, no problem. Any kind of cotton cord will be fine. Yarn. You will need 5 different colors of yarn. More bright colors the better. They will be more visible through the window. Then we got some copper wire. I got some spare cables at home and I just put them out from there, so any kind of hard wire will be fine. It's just to give the rainbow the shape. Some comb, thread and needle, pair of scissors, tape, some snips and wire cut. And these 2 items, if you don't have them, don't worry, you don't really need them. They just make this project easier. Okay, so if you got all of these items, let's start this project. I used 2 cords to make 1 arc of the rainbow, and I'm making 5 arcs. Starting with the top arc, I unravel the twist of the first cord. I fold the second cord in half. Then I wrap the folded bit with tape to make a loop. Then unravel the rest like with the first cord. Combine them to make thicker cord. Now with the normal thread, I tied both sides of the loop. And halfway down the cord. Repeat the process with 4 other arcs. But in this case, don't make any loop and just tie them after folding in half. Now put them all together in shape of rainbow. Wrap each end of arc with tape. Make sure all of them are at the same length. I cut pieces of wire for each arc, which cover a distance from tape to tape. Now start wrapping the yarn around the arc. Place the end of the yarn at least a few centimeters away from tape. When you reach the loop, take the tape off and go with your yarn inside the loop. Continue wrapping on the other side of the loop. When you reach other end of arc, simply cut your yarn off and make few knots. Repeat the process with the rest of the arc using different colors of yarn. Place all your arcs in the shape of rainbow. Make sure they fit together nicely and tape is at the same length. Using thread and needle, go through each arc so they will stay together nicely. Continue the process all the way till you reach other end of rainbow. You can always use hot glue gun to make this process easier. Now remove tape from each end. Now, when all arcs are stuck together, simply brush the loose cord and trim it. So there we go, our bright and colorful rainbow ready to hang on the window. I really hope you enjoyed doing this process and you could relax a little bit. I don't know about you, but for me, making DIYs or crafts makes me really relax and I can just forget for a while about all the things happening around. So I believe it's really good for your soul and your mind. Let me know in comments down below how making projects like that makes you feel. And also let me know if you put already your rainbow on the window. I mean, it don't have to be this rainbow. You can draw it, you can paint it, it doesn't really matter. Only what matters is to show your support, show that you appreciate what they're doing and just send some love. So if you like this video, please click the like button and consider subscription for more projects and much more. And now thank you for watching, stay safe and see you next time.